right, let's go take a real deal look at my latest listing in Olive. There's quite a bit to this house. You've got the main house here, cottage, gazebo. There's steps up to a fenced-in garden, as well as garage. Let's go take a look. Entrance into the main house, wraparound deck. There's entrance also from the kitchen. Steps going up to fenced-in garden and garage. Wisteria-lined walkway to cottage and gazebo. Beautiful, beautiful setting. Right into the main house. Living room with historic hand-hewn beams, bay window, and fireplace. Light and airy eat-in kitchen opens up to the deck with the wisteria-lined walkway to the cottage and gazebo. Washer, dryer, and kitchen. 2 bedrooms upstairs. Into the primary bedroom. Beautiful views out of really all of the windows. Higher ceilings, hand-hewn beams, once again, double closets, and additional storage up above. Number 2 with built-in bookcase, higher ceiling, storage up above as well. The cottage we go. So off the deck from the kitchen, you have a wisteria-lined walkway leading to the cottage and the gazebo. Into the cottage, you've got a lavatory, nice open space, light and airy, wood-burning stove. Here's the second floor of the cottage. It has a balcony, lots of privacy and woods there, and a spiral staircase coming up. It's up to the garden and garage. Here's the expanded 1-car garage with additional storage rooms, fenced-in garden. That's Chris Ball Road. There are actually 2 entrances into this property. One is right there on Acorn Hill Road to the main house, and then the second actually comes in off of Chris Ball to the cottage. So there are 2 different driveway entrances to the property. Second entrance into the garage with a garden behind. This is a really interesting offering. Come and see it for yourself.